tightly packed. Strawberries cut in half, around a cup. Low-fat yogurt, it's going to be around half a cup. You're going to need 2 tablespoons of vanilla extract and a tablespoon and a fourth of lemon.
The wooden spoon, the butter naan, a spoon, another spoon, and the mixing cup.
The first step is going to be get your strawberries, and you're going to pull the leaves up, and you're going to cut right with the white meets the red, the little stem, take it off, and then you're going to flip it over and cut it down the side lengthwise. The second step is going to be you grab your spinach and you pour it into a napkin, like so. Make sure you get all the little bits in there. Next step will be to fold the napkin in and squeeze it as hard as possible so you can release as much you can pour it back into the bowl you got. Step 3 is going to be adding everything to your mixing bowl. The next one is going to be the strawberries. Then it's going to be the spinach. And then next is going to be the vanilla extract. So the next step, you're going to take your wooden spoon and you're going to smash the strawberries and the spinach as finely as possible. So the next step, you're going to take your whisk and you're going to mix everything well together with the side. So the next step, you're going to take the mixing bowl and you're going to pour everything inside a clear plastic bowl. Grab the dip bowl and put it onto your precipitation plate. You grab the pretzel sticks and you pour them onto the side. It's going to be around 23. Okay, your large strawberry you set aside at the beginning, and you're going to cut that right in half with the stem attached.